Once upon a time, there's a little queen, and she had the most marvelous treasure. Mirror, mirror in my hand, tell me a story from another land.
Would you like to hear a pet story, a school story, or a Little House on the Prairie story?
Why don't we mix things up today? Come on, Mary, let's go fishing. Wow! 3 at once! What a catch! Are you sure you want to go in there? Hi, Nellie. Would you like to play? Country girls. Oh no, we're late for school. A queen's greatest treasure is her imagination.